Okay, so this is my new broker. Okay, so TRADEVIEW. So let's just have a look at a couple of the things that I like about this broker. First of all, I keep my chart very simple. I don't use indicators. I don't believe in them. Um, I did I did initially put a volume indicator on this, but I don't even look at it. I was messing about. For me, personally, my own personal opinion is um, that they're absolutely useless. Hence why I don't really use them. Um, so what I will say about this broker is I like the chart. Okay, it's very quick. You can see that. Look, every action with this broker is immediate. There's no lagging. I've been using it now a number of weeks. It never lags when you complete any task, whether it's open a position, liquidate a position, change the chart, 1 minute, 2 minutes, whatever. It's super quick. Um, it's got everything there that you want. As I said, if you want to have all the indicators in the world, they're there. As I said, I don't use them. You can also change it. You can also have, this is a black background, but you can change it to white. I personally prefer the black background because the white just hurts my eyes. Okay, so I'm actually going to take a position. Now, what you can initiate here is there's a number of different ways that you can take a position. Okay, so this is actually a small little tool that you can put in the middle of the chart. Okay, and it means that you don't have to, it can just sit there, so you don't actually have to look for a buy button or a sell button. It just sits there all the time. So that's an option, and it's a very good option. So I am actually going to take a little short position here. So let me just show you how quick, just like that. Look, how quick was the time? And I do, as I said, it's an option. You don't have to have it there. You can have another buy or sell button over here. For me, I mean, it says there quick trade, and it is. You've seen how quick that was. So I'm so busy thinking about that I'm looking at my position. I'm in the red. Um, Another really good thing about this broker as well is you can have multiple instruments open. Okay, there's a lot of brokers where you can't do that, but you can literally. I'm not going to do it, but you can add a new chart. You can have as many instruments as you want running along. Now I only really trade the FTSE 100, called the UK 100 here, and Wall Street, which is the Dow Jones. So they're the only two instruments that I predominantly trade. But as I said, if you trade multiple instruments, you can have them all along here. It means that you don't need to go and search. Because how annoying is it every time you open up your brokerage account, you have to go and search for that same instrument that you trade all the time. It's annoying. Okay, with this, it just sits there. Okay, it just sits there and you don't have to need to search for it. Okay. For me, this broker is very good because it's consistent. I've used brokers in the past where the chart has lagged, or when you've tried to increase it, decrease it, change it from 1 minute to 5 minutes, whatever, it can lag. This is instantaneously changing. It's really super quick. You've seen that trade, how quickly it was executed, and when you liquidate, it's the exact same. It's so quick. Now, what I will say is, everybody has different opinions about different brokers because we all look for different things, right? Now with this broker as well, you can get very good leverage. But when you're choosing a broker, choose what suits you. Okay, choose what suits you, because as I said, as traders, we all look for different things. There's some people that like all the different indicators and they want to have them there. Then there's people like me that couldn't care less about any of the indicators. For me, what I'm interested in is super quick execution, super quick liquidation. When I want to change the chart, that it happens straight away. There's no lagging. I'm gonna have to take a loss here, I think. I'm not liking the way this is looking. Yeah, let's just take this loss. But watch, when I liquidate this position, watch how quick it liquidates. Boom, just like that. Okay. Took a loss there because I did actually think it was going to sell off. I'm not so sure now. So you can't mess about. I'm staying out now. But it's a very good broker in my opinion. You know, the most important things for me is there's no lagging. There's no lagging with the charts. When you open a position, it opens straight away. When you liquidate, it liquidates straight away. I've used in brokers where you've tried to open a position and it wouldn't open it, and you've missed your opportunity. I've tried sometimes with different brokers to liquidate a position and it's lagged, and you've ended up losing even more money when you've tried to cut a losing trade. So for me, the execution is super important for me, and it's super quick, super quick. There's not really much more, to be honest with you. I like to keep my setup very basic, but for me, that's the most important things for me, is that there's no lagging with the chart, no lagging with the trades, super quick execution. When you open a trade, when you liquidate, you know, you can have the charts, you can change the different styles of charts, you can change it from 1 minute to 5 minute, you can zoom in, you can zoom out, and as you can see, it doesn't lag. Look, I mean, look how quick this is. Look, boom, straight away, no messing about. Okay, so that is basically it, guys, because I could go through all the different indicators, but I'm not going to because I don't use them. It's a good broker, but as I said, make sure you do your own research, okay? Because this is a very suitable broker for me. I really like it, but the next trader might not like it, okay? It all comes down to personal preference at the end of the day. There's no such thing as the perfect broker. It doesn't exist. You have to choose what is suitable for you and what you like and the things that you look for. Okay, I probably should have held that. Look, it's starting to sell off. And anyway, I will leave it at that. There's a link in the description if you want to find out more about this broker. But as I said, guys, do your own research and choose a broker that's suitable for you. Personally, I like this broker and I'm going to stick with them. Okay, so that is that. I shall go. You know, people put too much emphasis on certain elements of with brokers. You know, the spread. People are so concerned about the spread. They might get good spread and then they try and open a trade and it won't open. You try to liquidate, it won't liquidate. Do you see what I'm saying? So there's cons and pros with every broker. Some brokers do something better and then the next broker will do something better. Do you see what I'm saying? So it's a personal preference. There's no such thing as the perfect broker. So I shall leave it at that. You know, if you have any questions, you can send me a message. I only use the basic setup. So if you're looking to ask me questions about the indicators and all that kind of stuff, I don't use them. Okay, so but I can answer questions on the simple setups like this because that's what I like. That's all you need, in my opinion. Have a good week and good luck with your trading.